Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how you can change or reset your password if you forgot it on Discord. So without further ado, drop a like and now let us dive into this. So guys, let's assume you can't log into your Discord account, or alternatively, you are logged in but you would like to change your password. But since changing your password requires to type in your current password, it will be necessary to reset your password. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. For example, guys, if you click on that gear icon here on your Discord home screen, scroll down here in your My Account settings, you will be given access to that feature option here, password and authentication, change password. So to change your password, click on it. But unfortunately, as previously mentioned, Discord will ask you to type in your current password. Only then it will allow you to type in a new password and to confirm that. So if you can't do that, guys, there is a simple solution to this. Simply close that window here, head back to your home screen on Discord, click on that gear icon again, scroll down and click on log out here to log out of your account. So here in that window, Discord will ask you to log in with your current email and your current password. Alternatively, guys, you may click on that button below, forgot password. And if you do that, Discord will send you an email to the associated email address and guide you through the password resetting process. For instance, Discord may ask you to click on that link and to reset your password on the next page. And that's basically it, guys. After that, you will be given the opportunity to reset and to confirm your reset password. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time on our channel.